What's up, everybody? Welcome to Mica Color. I am doing this board today. It is a 3 foot by 2 foot board that my grandkids had fun with. I'm basically going to do the same design that they did with their fingers. They kind of swirled it around, but it looks too like Christmas to me, so I'm covering it up. I am using the color Cottage mica pigments, red, yellow. I am using Strawberry Bliss, Dandelion, I cannot say that word, Dandelion yellow, and Sunset Orange with Copper Penny Shimmer. This stuff is amazing. Look at that. Doesn't that look crazy cool? It looks like somebody really grinded up real copper pennies and put them in a jar. So I'm mixing everything up right now. I have my resin going. I have my colors in a cup, which I need tongue depressors for. And we're gonna see what we get. Mixed in these two Pro Marine hardener and resin together. I mixed in, what did I mix in? 15 ounces of the resin to 15 ounces of the hardener. Okay. So I'm going to dump my clear on the board. A whole lot of clear. I'm just going to rub this in real good. I forgot to put my hair up. Damn it. I'm probably going to get hairs in my resin because my hair sort of just falls out anywhere. I probably should have made a little bit more color. Yeah, it's probably not going to be enough. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do the swirl thing. I think I'm going to do this. Come up with my own little creation here. The only problem is, because I'm not doing a swirl thing, I might not have enough color and I might have to mix up some more resin to put on top of here. What's the matter, Dookie? I don't know if you guys can hear my Great Dane back there. But he's making all kinds of noise. I love this copper penny. Very pretty. Definitely need a little bit more red right here popping, right? I don't know what's going on with my neighbor's house, but all I hear is a whistle blowing. They live pretty far from me. I mean, I know it's my neighbor, but even though they live pretty far, I live out in the middle of nowhere, believe me. Now we need some popping yellow. Maybe it'll look like a big old sunset when I'm done. Hell, I don't know. I don't know what it's going to look like till I'm done it. Sometimes I get in here and just want to throw colors on somewhere. Today's one of those days. I don't even know. But I like these colors. I just want to work with these colors. I think they're so pretty. One of those days. And what do I need? I'll tell you what I need. I need something really dark. Like a deep dark red. So I'm going to mix some up real quick because I left some clear out. Thank God I left some clear out. Transparent. I don't know how that's going to look, but we'll find out. I think it needs that darkness here and there, you know. I think that's enough. These gloves barely fit me because my hands were sweating. Pain in the ass. I should have put my hands in front of the fan and let them dry off a little bit before I put gloves on. But I did not. That's pretty. Yeah, these gotta come off. These are too tight. Different kind of resin, like art resin, it gives me a lot longer working time. I could use a heat gun. But because of this Pro Marine, it sets up so fast that I have to use a blow dryer, unfortunately. I don't really like the way the blow dryer looks sometimes, but like I said, it sets up pretty quick, so I gotta get these colors to flow together a little bit better. I'm just gonna mix them up so I don't have lines of yellow and lines of red. That'll help disperse it. like liquid flowing into each other. I love that look. Talk about multitasking. This is how you multitask. That's it. Now I'm going to torch it. When it was curing, a fly fell in it and we were trying to pick it out. My granddaughter, she was almost crying. She was like, try to save it. So cute. Okay, now I'm just going to get the edges real good. Then I'm going to bring the camera down so you guys can see what I got. And let me know what you think. Okay, so here's the finished piece. I think it's beautiful. See that copper penny shimmer? Ooh, there you go. I love. Everything that I use in my videos is listed below my description. You can just click on the links. It will take you to Amazon and you can go shopping. So if you're interested in anything like the resin or the cups or the pigments, tongue depressors, anything at all, this will help you guys.